Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the latest launches in the smartphone market. Vivo has unveiled two new smartphones under their Y series in the world, the Vivo Y18 and the Vivo Y18e. At first glance, these devices look quite identical in design, but the difference lies in their specifications. Of the two, the Vivo Y18 comes with more features, making it the higher variant. Let's break down the details and take a closer look at the specifications of the Vivo Y18. For the camera enthusiasts, the Y18 offers a dual rear camera setup with a 50MP primary sensor f/1.8 aperture and a 0.08MP auxiliary lens. On the front, it has an 8MP selfie camera housed in a water drop notch, perfect for clear selfies. In terms of storage, the Vivo Y18 comes with 4GB of LPDDR4X RAM, which can be virtually extended by another 4GB. Storage options include 64GB or 128GB, expandable up to 1TB via a dedicated microSD slot. The device packs a massive 5000 mAh battery with 15W fast charging support. It runs on Android 14 with Vivo's FunTouch OS 14 skin on top, ensuring a user-friendly experience. The phone includes a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for quick authentication and is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance. Connectivity options include dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. It weighs 185 grams and measures 163.53 x 75.5 x 8.39mm. The Vivo Y18 features a stunning 6.56-inch HD display with a 90Hz refresh rate, ensuring smoother visuals. Plus, with up to 840 nits of peak brightness, you get excellent clarity even under bright sunlight. Under the hood, the phone runs on the MediaTek Helio G85 chipset, paired with the Mali G52 MC2 GPU, delivering solid performance for gaming and multitasking. So what are your thoughts on the Vivo Y18? Which one suits your needs best? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting digital updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care, tech lovers. Stay tuned for more updates.